10 things you must need to learn for success in project management. Project management is easy. The most important facts are to ensure that vital items and things that might cause a project to fail are properly prioritized and attended to by designated leads. Before we proceed to our topic, I have something very important to tell you. PM2.biz offers 300+ professional high-quality project management templates and documents in Excel that can save time and increase efficiency. So don't miss out on the best offer. Please hit like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on our future updates. Let's proceed to our topic without wasting a second. 1. All project deliverables and project activities must be visualized and communicated in vivid detail. In short, the project manager and project team have the same focus in the same direction by knowing what are the priorities and expectations for the project. Avoid vague descriptions at all costs. 2. Project managers must focus on the 3 dimensions of project success, which means to complete all project deliverables on time, within budget, and within agreeable level of quality as defined by and to sponsors and stakeholders. The project manager must keep the team's attention focused on achieving these broad goals. 3. Top management must actively set priorities. In today's world, it is common for project team members to play active roles in many projects at the same time. Ultimately, there comes a time when resources are stretched to their limits. In response, some organizations have established a project management office to act as a clearinghouse for projects requests. 4. Successful projects work great with a proven time-tested project lifecycle tool. Models such as the standard ISD model helps to tailor professional standards and best practices into our project plans. These models support quality and help reduce rework as much as possible. 5. Project managers must enforce on-time management and a sense of urgency. Because every project is a finite endeavor with limited time, money, and other resources available, they must be kept moving toward completion. It's up to the project manager to keep their team focusing on project deliverables and deadlines. Regular status checks, meetings, and reminders are essential and cannot do without. 6. Project manager responsibility must be matched by equivalent authority. Project managers must obtain equivalent authority to execute their responsibilities to drive the success of any projects. Specifically, managers must have the authority to acquire and coordinate resources, set expectations, give instructions, set priorities, and resolve any disputes in the team. 7. A good manager is a good communicator. If you have an aptitude for management, you have the Midas touch of great interpersonal skills, eliciting others' hidden strength and skill sets, and to work with you to obtain the best results for any projects or initiatives. 8. Good management of resource allocation. How to juggle good, quality, cheap, money and other tangible resources, and fast, deadlines and perceived convenience, when coordinating a project. Each project resource is allocated and has an agreed upon ratio on these 3 resources. This ratio is sometimes called the expectations of the project. If there are any issues with any one of these resources, alert the upper management about the problem as early as possible, and also you need to be able to suggest alternatives to the management that will either solve the problem or minimize it. 9. A good project manager listens and empathy. This is the integral part of communication. One needs to be able to listen and understand what's going on. Empathy is the softer side of listening and truth. You should be able to understand how people feel, why they feel that way, and what you can do to make them feel differently. 10. Division of work. This is an activity of breaking down large tasks into subtasks which are easier to manage. These subtasks can be assigned to a larger group of individual employees. Ideally, you want to figure out how to accomplish a large objective by dividing the work up into manageable pieces. However, you also need to provide careful attention to the interdependencies among each division and to carefully assess each employee's strengths and weaknesses to the best possible way. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Download 9,000+ project management and business templates plans, tools, forms and guides at projecttemplates.biz. Please comment if you have any questions about this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Your feedback is very important. Stay tuned and keep in touch. See you in the next video.